5 minus 5 multiply 5 minus 5 equal what? Here 5 minus 5 gives us 0 times 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 0 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Here there is no parenthesis, no exponent, no addition, only existing multiplication and subtraction. Therefore at first we have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Here 5 minus this 5 times 5 gives us 25 minus this 5. Now I have to work with this subtraction. When we have more than one subtraction, then we have to work left to right. Therefore at first we have to work with this subtraction, then this subtraction. Here 5 minus 25 gives us minus 20 minus this 5. Here minus 20 minus 5 gives us minus 25. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.